Hello friends, welcome to my channel Dreamcatcher. Today we will discuss about the topic that is forestry. Forestry, it is the theory and practices of all that constitutes the creation, conservation and scientific management of the forest and utilization of the resources. It is also known as the art and science of growing and managing tree significantly. Next is branch of forestry. Mainly the forestry has been grouped as follows. First is basic forestry. Basic forestry deals with the theory and practices of the constitutions and management of the forest and utilization of the product. And applied forestry is just the application of the basic forestry in the field. This includes those simple subjects which have the reference to other subject but make the essence of forestry. Next is basic forestry have the following branches. First is silviculture. It is the branch of forestry which deals with the establishment, development, care and reproduction of the stands of timber. It is also known as art and science of cultivating forest crops. Second is forest mensuration. In simple language, it is the measurement of forest produce. However, it is defined as the determination of dimension, example height, diameter, volume, etc., form, volume, age and increment of single tree, stand or whole wood, either standing or after felling. It concerns with linear area, volume and weight measurement. Third is silviculture system. It is defined as the set of silviculture procedure worked out in accordance with accepted set of silviculture principles by which crop constituting forest are tended, harvested and replaced by new crops of distinct form. It acts as a tool for achieving the objective of forest management. Next is forest management. It is the practical application of scientific, technical and the economic principle of forestry. Next is forest law. It is law includes any rule of action, the rules and law imposed by the state up on the action of its citizen for the breach of which they are punishable. Forest law governs activity in designated forest land, most commonly with respect to forest management and timber harvesting. So forest law are made so that there is not any over exploitation of the forest or degradation of the forest. Next is forest resource utilization. It is a branch of forestry concerned with the harvesting, conversion, disposal and use of forest produce. It is branch of forestry concerned with the harvesting, any necessary processing and delivery to the consumer of the forest produce. Next is applied forestry. It has several branches like dendrology. It involves the study of identification of economically useful tree species. Second is forest ecology. It studies the pattern and processes of a forest ecosystem. Next is forest economy. It studies the impact of economics on forest management decisions. Next one is forest entomology. It is the study of insects in a forest setting. Next branch is social forestry. It refers to the management of forest for the benefit of local communities. It includes aspects such as forest management, forest protection, afforestation and agroforestry, etc. Next one is forest hydrology. It embodies the effect of change in forest land use on the movement, distribution and quality of water in the ecosystem. Next is forest protection. It comprises both the biotic and abiotic factors affecting the health of the forest or trees, primarily by fungal pathogens, insects, nematodes, parasites, plants and climatic factors. Climatic factors include stress, salinity, fire, etc. and their management. And other branches of applied forestry are forest genetics, forest pathology, forest seed technology, forestry improvement, forest statistics, forest survey, etc. And there are also other branches of forestry which we can call it as side branches. There it is aesthetic forestry, commercial forestry, community forestry, extensive forestry, farm forestry, multiple use forestry. Thank you for watching my channel and don't forget to subscribe my channel.